Hello guys, once again a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel Legal Pathagar, and today our topic of discussion is regarding Nobel laureate Amartya Sen and all the controversies that have surfaced regarding his illegal house in Shanti Niketan. Firstly, all of us know that Amartya Sen is an Indian economist as well as a philosopher, and he has received the Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences in the year 1998 for his immense contribution in human development theory. So now we will be discussing the controversy. What was the exact controversy and how did it begin? So during a faculty meeting on December 9th, Vishwa Bharati University Vice Chancellor Bidyut Chakraborty claimed that Amartya Sen was a part of that meeting, and he identified himself as Bharat Ratna Amartya Sen, and he requested that the hawkers around his house should not be evicted, as his daughter used to often buy the groceries from them. In fact, Bidyut Chakraborty also claimed that the hawkers should be given space inside the property in Vishwa Bharati University campus, and after that Mr. Sen hung up the phone, means he disconnected his call. In this respect, Vishwa Bharati University Faculty Association President Sudipto Bhattacharya, who was also present during the virtual meeting, thought of confirming this from Mr. Sen, and thereafter he wrote an email to Mr. Sen to find out whether the claims of the VC was really true. Very soon, Mr. Sen replied, and he said to have denied making any phone calls to the Vice Chancellor. He in fact also said that he never introduces himself as Bharat Ratna Amartya Sen, and he never participated in any online meeting, nor did he make any such request to the Vice Chancellor. Thereafter, he also said that there would be no reason anyway to bring in the question of how the hawkers should be treated, because in reality there are no hawkers outside his house. Outside my house in Shanti Niketan, means he is speaking of Pratichi. Now the basic allegations which were put forward by the Vishwa Bharati University authorities. They say that dozens of their plots have been recorded wrongly, and a list of unauthorized occupants have been prepared, which also includes the name of eminent economist Amartya Sen. This is from where the real controversy began. They also claim that Mr. Sen's house, Pratichi, occupies around 138 decimals, while the original lease was given on 125 decimals. Thus, the basic allegation is Mr. Sen has occupied 13 decimals of land in addition to the 125 decimals of legally leased land which was given to his father by the university authorities for a 99-year long-term lease. So all these allegations and counter allegations made the political pitch quite high, and in this context, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee took the side of Mr. Sen and expressed her solidarity on his behalf. She also said that all these allegations were being deliberately made by BJP because Mr. Sen on a number of occasions had spoken against the ideologies and policies of BJP. Thus, BJP is basically trying to harass and take back its revenge against Mr. Sen and nothing else. Thank you.